done there. Yeah, his camera's on us. Here we are in Region North Dakota. Cutting Durham right now. I think the date is August 24th. Nice day, getting a lot of acres cut. About 6 o'clock in the evening.
Where the hell is the supper?
Yeah, waiting. Want to say that again, Jonas?
Where the hell is the supper? Off the steak.
Waiting for supper to come out. Nice field, a little bit of hill in it, but not too bad.
Except for a little burn mark.
Yeah.
Down from Chippewa, had a station wagon and $100, hanging about the girl I've lost for years.